What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sugar Salon TV. This is a Pixie Palooza. That's what I'm calling this right here. So I already shampooed this mannequin, this sister girl right here, and molded her, dried her, and now I'm spraying some Kenra spray. And I put some serum in the hair. And I'm gonna try something, you guys, because sometimes when I do pixie style, sometimes people hair be kind of really dry, especially if they're a new client and they may have been doing their own relaxers, or they may not have been in the salon in a while. Their hair tends to be kind of dry, so I'm using some Carry Care curl wax that I put on there as well, that you didn't see, but I did put it on there. I am accepting new Pixie clients, and you will need to have relaxed hair, and I can do relaxer retouches or virgin relaxers if you like, but I am accepting new Pixie cut clients. And so as I talk to you guys through this video, you're going to see some different pixie styles that I've done. They're just going to pop up. And you can go to that website, sugarsalon.net, and click on the specials page. And then you can see on the website what offers I have for new pixie cut clients. And you guys, to subscribe, all you have to do is scan this QR code. That's all you have to do, just scan it, and then you're going to smash the subscribe button when you come to there. And thank you guys so much for subscribing, and for my current subscribers, thank you so much. So I'm just continuing the curl. So I'm making my way around the sides, just putting some big curls in it. And you guys make sure you stay to the end so that you can see the comb out, and so that you can see me style it. So I haven't put a pixie style on here in a while. I'm gonna also do a pixie cut, mold and style. I'm gonna take it from beginning to end. I'm gonna purchase a new mannequin soon, and then you can see me do a complete cut, mold, and style. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming up sometime soon. I'm about to head out of town, and I'm going to be doing some vlogging, so look for some new stuff to come up soon. You guys keep continuing to watch, please. So you guys, here's another cute style, gorgeous style. If you see the picture that just popped up in the right hand corner at the top, and I actually cut her hair off, and if you look through my Pixie playlist, you will see the video where I actually cut her hair into a pixie style. So you guys can go and find that video. I can drop it in the description box below. And just take a look and just keep watching. You guys don't forget to comment, like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you guys, another style just popped up in your top right hand corner. That's actually a quick weave. Some people call it a pronto. It was not a 27 piece. It was actually just hair. I think I bought 10-inch hair, and then I cut it into a pixie style, and I styled it. So that's what that was. That's what that is. So I hope you guys like that too. Here's another style, top right hand corner. This client has been coming to me for a while. She loves color, loves color. And I did some color, some blonde. She wanted blonde in the front and red, flaming hot red in the back. And so I put her a bunch of curls as well. You guys, this right here is what the old school, we called it freeze curls. So I made a quick wig with just a glued on wig. I put it on my mannequin and made it and cut it and styled it. Here's another bob, not a bob, but a pixie cut. My bad, you guys. A pixie cut, and I had styled that as well. So you guys continue to watch this and you can see me. I'm about to wrap it up. This is a quick video and then you're going to see me style it at the end. Keep watching. You guys, another cute style just popped up. I did this on my mannequin too. And what I did is I had already cut the mannequin. I think it's the same mannequin I'm working on now. But I put some blonde number 30 tracks. I think 2 or 3 tracks. And I styled that. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I'd appreciate it. And another style just popped up, you guys. I did on my mannequin. And I love working on mannequins because, you know, it's a great way to show off a style. You can just showcase a style, do a style when you get home at any time at my leisure, and then I can show you guys. And so if you're a stylist and you've ever done pixie styles, or you don't know how to do pixie styles, or you want to learn how to do pixie styles, or whatever your situation is, just drop some comments down below. Or if you are a viewer that does not have a pixie style, or you may be natural and thinking about getting a pixie style, just drop some comments below and let me know if you would ever consider a pixie cut, or if you've ever considered cutting your hair off and getting a pixie cut, or if you're natural, have you ever considered getting a relaxer and just doing a pixie style? Drop them comments below, you guys. I'd appreciate it. And so you see I'm styling this mannequin out. I'm styling this pixie, styling it out. Like I said, Pixie Palooza. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, click the bell, share, and I'll see you on my next video. Be blessed.